This is 320 BMW. We were searching the rattling noise, and it sounds like a dropping or a shock absorber, but wasn't. And I did search, and I find that this you wouldn't even believe. The noise comes from the shock absorber for the tailgate. And I'm gonna show you how to fix it. And this is what makes the noise. I take this one and this one, and watch the sounds now. There's no more rattling noise, and this is what's making noise inside here, being warm. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put some tape on the head, right there. Alright. Another one. Instead of buying a new one, simple and easy. Do not change your drop link or shock absorber before you doing this. Okay, we'll put that again. Okay, now listen to the noise. There's no more noise. It's gone. That's it.